During our season of good, let's chat with Assistant Store Manager Alvin about his favorite fish to pick up at Seafood City.
The fish that I like usually here is fresh tilapia.
What is your recommendation for eating tilapia?
Recommendation for this one is just fry, or maybe good for its steamed fish. Here at Seafood City, we have a service station that you can go with your fish. Service here is free, especially the frying section.
At the service station, you can have your fish cleaned only. But if you choose to have them fry it, then there are some choices.
Actually, we have a variation about the frying. If you want to have a fry, we do have medium crispy, or they said a crispier. And secondly, you go to the pickup station to pick up your fish when it's ready and go to the cashier.
And what condiment do you like with your fish?
I usually dip the fried fish. It's banana ketchup. Usually when I was a kid, I always liked the banana ketchup.
Thank you, Alvin, for sharing your favorite fish at Seafood City. And from all of us at Seafood City, we hope you come by during our season of good and enjoy the service.